Hey everyone, Rambles here, back with another unscripted ramble. Although this one's a bit different because I'm actually taking a test. So I'm here on the government website, gov.uk, and I'm going to be taking a maths test. So this is a test which was taken by real British children in May 2023. So they have 3 papers. They have arithmetic, and then they have reasoning, and reasoning again. So I'm going to do the arithmetic one, and it's basically, I did look into these just to see what they were like. I haven't looked at this specific one yet, because I didn't want to cheat. But yeah, these are like just problems, arithmetic problems. There's no wording, there's no geometry or anything like that. It's just pure arithmetic. So I'm going to get into this because I haven't, since I'd made like the videos before of me actually studying maths and getting better, because my maths was horrible. But now I feel like a bit more comfortable. But I want to take a test just to like see how well I do. So this is, I'll just explain this test a little bit. So it's called a SAT. Not to be confused with the American SAT. These are SATs. I'm not actually sure what SAT stands for. Anyway, so who takes these is primary school children, so also known as elementary school. So in the UK, we have 2 schools, basically. We have primary. Oh, that's awful. That's not going to work. Get a bright colour. Yeah. So we have primary, which is years 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And there's also year reception, which is, I think that's kindergarten. And then you also have preschool for younger than that, but you don't have to. But this says compulsory. So you, in the UK, you start at age 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these are like the rough ages that you kind of are. These are the ages when you finish this thing. So maybe you start when you're like, I don't know. So you start year 1 when you're like 5, and then you continue going. And then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this, you have years 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And then this is secondary or high school. So this is called secondary school or high school. It's the same thing. And that's years 7 to 11, so ages 11 to 16, basically. And then you leave, and there's like 2 kind of options. You can go straight into work as well, or go an apprenticeship. But usually you can either go to college. This is for like vocational trade skills, stuff like that. You get an apprenticeship. Or you can go into what's called 6th form. And then you have years 12 and 13. So it's 2 extra years of study when you're going to be 17 and 16 to 18 years old. And then you leave, and then you go to university, uni. So yeah, that's how the British education system works. And at the transition stages, you will take exams. And so before, this is this stage here. So this one here, you take SATs. So SATs, you take them at the end of primary school, and then basically how good you do in them determines which class you're put into in secondary school. So secondary school, you have different bands, so you'll have like set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4, and so on. And so set 1 is like the kids who are the smartest, they get the highest grades, and that kind of stuff. And then set 2 is like, they're smart, but they're not like the top. And then, set 3 is like a bit lower, they might only get C at the highest, but probably D's or something. Like, it's sort of a bit like that. It's graded into different classes. And then at the end of this stage, you get to choose which subjects you want to take forward, because you do like languages and music and drama and stuff like that, but then once you hit year 9 you can drop all of those and like just focus on certain things for your GCSEs. So yeah, when you're in year 10 and 11, this is when you're focusing on your GCSEs, if you ever heard of those. You do them at the end of high school, and then with those you use these to get into college or get a job. You have to get at between, I don't know what they're called now, I think it's between a 3 and a 9, or it used to be between a C and an A star. And you need that in maths and English, because these are your core subjects. Science used to be considered a core subject. I'm not sure why it isn't now, or if it still is. I don't know, it's confusing. But you need at least a C or a 3. They changed the grading system, it's annoying, in maths and English to get a job, basically. Like, if you don't get that, then no one's going to hire you. So you have to at least get a C. So, like, if you fail here, you can go to college and, like, retake them and stuff. And I think the first time you do it, it's free. I think you might have to, if you keep failing them, then you might have to start paying for them, and they're like £100 to take the test again. So there's some incentive to not fail it, I guess. But then, yeah, if you go here, then you get like a qualification in some kind of thing. And if you go to sixth form, then you get A-levels. And A-levels are what you use to get into university. So yeah, that's a massive ramble about the British school system. But yeah, basically I'm taking an exam meant for an 11-year-old. So we'll see how embarrassing my maths skills are. I'm going to write it in blue just so it shows up a bit. Because blue is like, usually you should write in blue or black, but since everything in here is going to be black, I'm going to write it in blue. Okay. And if anyone stuck around to actually see me start, then well done, I guess. Okay, so you may see that now everything is clean, and it actually says 2022. That's because I did like 5 questions, and I had a massive headache, and I was having problems, and then my phone in the other room went off because I had an alarm set for 11 o'clock, and I forgot that I had it on, and so it went off and distracted me, and then I came back, and then I just didn't feel like doing any more of it. So I waited about 15 minutes, and I've come back to start again, but like obviously I can't really start again on that same paper because I already answered like 5 of the questions. So I'm going to start on this one. It shouldn't be that different. Like, I'm pretty sure they're all the same. Well, not the same questions, but the same topics. So, like, I don't think they changed anything between. Go away. Between these 2023 and 2022, I don't think anything changed. So, fill this out. Rambles. T. Wolf. Date of birth. No one needs to know that. School name. My parents' house. And DFE number, I don't effing know. I don't know what DFE number even is. Anyway, so this test is 30 minutes. And most of them are worth 1 mark, but sometimes there'll be 2 marks available, and they'll say, show you're working. So, yeah, we'll do that. So hopefully I get a decent score, and it's not totally embarrassing. But we'll see. Okay, so where's the? Oh no, I've gotten rid of the I got rid of the timer. Hang on. Timer. Here we go. Okay, I've got the timer. Okay, and let's go. First question. Oh wow, that's harder than the first one. Okay, so 6 1 5 5 1 6 4 9. Okay, so 10 15. That's 10, and that is 12. No, so it's 13, and then that's going to be 7. Okay, 7 3 0 5. Oh, thank God, they made it easier for the the second one. 10 plus what equals 302? It's going to be 292. Okay, that's going to be 1,000. These questions are easier than the last paper. What? I feel like I've cheated now. What the hell? Oh wow, these are way easier. I don't. What happened? Okay. Oh, okay. At least now we've got something that's a little bit more challenging. Okay. So we got 8, 10, and 15. I believe. Let's go with that. Wow. Okay. So 24. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. So that's going to be 30. Ugh, God. I can't be bothered with this. So there's 1, 5 with 3 left over. 35 is going to be 6 with 4 left over. And then 40 is 8. So 168. Okay, 6 minus 7, can't do. We'd have to borrow from here, but we can't, so borrow from there, so that's going to be 2, that's going to be 10, that's going to be, no it's not, it's going to be 9. Wait. Yes. Yes, like that, okay. Because I had to take from here again, okay. 16, that's 9, 9 take away 4 is 5, 3, you can't do that. 12, take away 8, it's going to be 4, and then that's going to be 5, okay. I'm a very good 11-year-old. Oh, that's going to just be that. 56 divided by 7, that's sometimes 8? No. 40. Yeah, it's 8, so it's going to be 80. Okay. 6 times 10 times 11. 60 times 11. Wouldn't that just be 666? Ooh woo. I think it is, right? Because it's just 60 times 11, which is... Yeah, yes, it's obviously... Just stop overthinking things. Okay, so there's one left over. 18's 2. Okay. Ugh. So this is going to be 5, 9, 4. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Ugh, God, don't do that. 7. Okay, so 7 times 6 is 42. The answer of meaning of life. Okay, 7 times 9 is 63. That's 7 times 5 is 35. 35, so that's going to be 41. Okay. That divided by 10, wouldn't that just be 0.212? I think. I'll leave it as that. Ooh, show your method. Okay, so now I could get 2 marks. Okay, so first let's split this. So 21 equals 3 times 7. So we'll start with start with 7. I wish I could control Z on this. I don't think I can. 6, 7, 2. Okay. Actually, no, we'll do with 3. That'll be a bit easier. It's 2, 2, and a 1. 12, and that's 4. Okay. No remainder. Good. And then 2, 2, 4. So in 2, it's nothing. In 22, you've got 3 and 1 remainder. And then in 14, you've got 2. So the answer is 32. I think that's how you work them out. I think that's how you work them out. It came with a nice number, so I'm going to leave it at that. Oh, fucking hell, fractions. Okay. 4 over 9 plus 2 over 3. Okay, so I need to make the denominator the same. So, let's do times 3 by 3 and 2. So 3 times 3 over 2 times 3 equals 6 over 9. So then we've got 10 over 9. And well, that's it. Okay, you can't simplify that anymore. Okay, so just 10 over 9. I don't think it matters if you write it as 1 and 1/9 or 10 over 9. I don't think it matters. Okay, I'll show you working. Okay, so let's do 3. So 7 times 3, 21. That's just going to be 2. And 3 times 6 is 18. Pardon me. And then 80, so we'll start with 0. And then, so this is times 80. 8 times 7 is 56. Yeah, it is. 8 times 0 is 0, so that's just 5. And then 8 times 6 is 4. No. 8 times 6 is 46, I think. Yes. Yes, it is. Okay. And then we just add these together. That's a big number, Jesus. Okay. 1, 2 and 6 is 8. 5 and 8 is 13. 10. Okay. 50,381. Okay. Okay, so that's going to be... I think. Yeah, 13,050. Wow. I don't want to jinx it by saying, wow, these are really easy, but, like, they are kind of easy. 2/3 plus 2 and 1/3. It's going to be 2 and... It's going to be 3. It's just going to be 3. Okay. So it's 70% of 30. 70% of 30. So... God, how do you do this again? 70... divided by 30 divided by 70? Hang on. Have I forgotten how to do this? I think I have. Oh no. Oh shit. Hang on, so it's 0.7 times 30. I think that's how you figure it out. 0.7 times 30. Ugh, God. Okay, so I'm gonna look like an idiot trying to solve this out. Oh no. I don't need that. Okay, so that's 0, 7 times 0, 7 times... How do you work this out again? I can't actually remember. And 70 times... Oh no. Yeah, I've totally forgotten how you do this. What if I do 30 divided by 7? And then times it by 10? What times it work? Would that work? 7? No, 30 divided by 70. Yeah, 30 divided by 7 and then times it by 10. Perhaps. I don't know. That's 21. But that's not... That doesn't make any bloody sense. Maybe it's just 70... Maybe it's just 21. Yeah, actually, I think it is 21. Because if you times this by 3, then you get 30. So if you times this by 3, then you get 21. Ooh. This looks messy, though, so I'm going to clear it up. Okay, I don't know. I just fluked it, basically, because I wasn't sure what the hell I was doing. Okay. 8 minus 5.123. Here. 0.123. So 0 take 3 can't do it, so you're gonna have to bump up 7.99. Yeah. And then have 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. And then 8. And then 7 minus 5 is 2. I think that's how you work that out. 1/8 divided by 2. I think to work these out, you just multiply these together. Oh, no, you need it. That's the denominator. Okay. So I think it's just 1/16. I think. Because you're kind of making this smaller. So if you cut an 1/8 in half, then it will become a 16th. Okay. Yeah. I got it. 1/2 plus 1/3. Ew. I guess I need to times these by the factors to get a common denominator. So I guess it would be 6. So 6. So it needs to be 6, which would be 1 times 3. And then 2. So it would be 5/6. What an awful word, sixths. That's just awful. 26 minus, oh god. I hate decimal questions. It's just like, it's not too hard, it hurts my brain to think about. Okay, 10 minus, yeah. 9.5 minus 2 is 3, 23. %of, oh god, not this again. 15%. 15%. How many? No. Does 320 become... Is 320 a multiple of 15? Hang on. Let's just try this. 15 into 32... No, it can't be, because... I don't know, it might. It might be. It might be. I don't want to waste a bunch of time, though. No, because it's going to be 2 with a remainder 2, and then 20 is going to be 1 with a remainder of 5, and then 50 is going to be... It's not going to be right. 50 is going to be bloody... Bleh. I think I'm not doing this right. 30, 45... Yeah, because that's just going to give you another remainder of 50, so you're just going to get, like, that. I've only got 12 minutes. I'll skip it and I'll come back. Oh, fuck off. Okay, actually, this one shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so 1% is going to be 30, I think. Because you divide this by 100, right? You're going to get 30. So that'll be 1%. So then 2% should be 60, I think. Let me go back and try this one again. So if I divide this, then you're going to get So 1%, or 10% is, yeah, 10%. Okay, so 10% is going to be 3.2, no, 32. 32 is 10%. And then 5% is going to be 16. So then if you add these together, 80, 48. Is that the answer? It might be. I just had a brain moment where I found a workaround that kind of works. Okay, wait, I've only got 10 minutes left. Oh my god. I don't know how many questions there are. Okay, 73. Just, oh, fuck off. Oh, that's awful. What bloody hell divides into that? Oh no. Oh, skip. Oh, skip. Can't be dealing with that right now. Why? Why are they giving me so many percentage questions? I hate you. 80% of 115. I literally can't remember how to do these. I know there's going to be an easier way, but I literally can't think of it. I literally can't think of it. What the hell is it? Okay. Minus, is this KFC? I think this is KFC. Keep, flip, convert. Oh no, is that for, no, wait, that's for division, never mind. Ignore me. 7 times 9 is 63. Okay. And then, so we have... Then 2 times 9 is 18. And 7. 18 minus 7 is 11. I wasn't even thinking. Just my brain decided to blank out, as it does occasionally. So it's 11 over 63. Can that be simplified even more? I don't think so. 11 over 63. Okay. I'm going to skip and do this one because this is easy. Okay, 7 times 8 is 4. No, it's not 40, it's 56. And then 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 5. 49 plus 5 is going to be 54. Okay, and then 28, I think. Sometimes 4, 28, I believe. So this is times 7, and this bit is going to be times 60. So already put a 0, and then 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times thingy is 42. Yep. Okay, and then 6 times 4 is 24. So that's not in the right place. Okay, so now 6, 4 and 8. Okay, 4 and 8 is gonna be 12. 6 and 6, 12. 8 and 4, 12. 2 and 4, 6 plus that. Okay, so it's gonna be 2, 2, 2, 2, 6. How many questions are there? Okay, I think that's it. Okay. So 2.5 minus 2 over 3. So this is going to be... add that up, so it's going to be 5 over 2 minus 2 over 3. Okay, I'm going to have to make that 6. 5 times 3, 15, minus 2 times 2, 4 over 6. Okay, so 15 minus 4 is going to be 11 over 6. Did I skip anything? I skipped that one because I couldn't bother with it. 10 minus... bloody hell. Okay, so 2 times 4 is going to be 8. So this is 9 over 4. So 1 over 10. No, 10 over 1 minus 9 over 4 is going to be 40 over 4 minus 9 over 4 equals 31 over 4. Okay, so... oh, this is PEMDAS, or BODMIS, or BODMAS, or whatever. So it's going to be... do this part first. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then 6 plus 2 is 8. So it's going to be 8. Okay. Oh, God. 4 over 5 times... Jesus. So I guess... do I just times them by 4? I guess I do. I don't know. No, because divided by... so maybe do I have to divide this by 400? Oh, that's awful. I don't know what to do with that. Ew, that's awful. I think I do. Oh, bloody hell. How do you divide... 5 divided by 400? What the hell? 5 divided by 4. Oh, no. Oh, I hate this. Oh, is there anything... oh, no, it's just... oh... okay. What is 4 over 5? 4... because it's not going to be that, is it? Because this is the same as writing 400 over 1. I think. I mean, I guess we could do that. This is how you do it, actually. Actually, this wouldn't be too hard. 4 times 4. 4 times 4. Come on, Rambles. 4 times 4. What is 4 times 4? It's 16. Thank you. Okay. So I think it's that. I think it's that. And then, how many 5s are in that? Because this is literally... oh, no, that's... no, it's not. Never mind. But I guess I could simplify it. I don't know if I need to. I've got 3 minutes. God. So what's half of this, basically? No, it's not. Hang on. Oh, my brain isn't working. So this... basically, 10 is this. So half of that equals 5. Bleh. So it's... 16, 8. Okay, it's 80. It's not just going to be the number 80. But, okay, 80. So it's going to be 80 over 1. Oh, that is 80, though. Yeah. Okay, so it is 80. Okay. Let's see. There's one question I skipped, or did I skip 2? I may have skipped 2. Yeah, there was this one as well. Try and try and work it out. Okay, so 73. I don't think 73 divides by anything, does it? 60, no. Is that a prime number? Oh, God. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's try this one. 80%. 8 out of 10. Is it times 115? Maybe it is, I don't know. Over 1. So that would be 10 and 8. 1, 5. So 8 times 5 is 40. Plus 8. Plus times 8 minus 1, so that's 9. So it's 920. So it's 92. I think. I came back to this one. Okay. So I think it's just this one that I will have no points in. That's a very pleasant sounding timer. Oh, go away. Oh my goodness. Dismiss. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna just stop this here, and then I will come back with... Okay, and we're back. I've got the mark scheme here, and I'll zoom out a bit so I can actually read what I'm doing. Okay, so we'll go through this and see how many points I get. Yay! I actually feel quite confident with this. Like, I don't know, the questions weren't that hard. I thought they were kind of easy. Okay. Anyway, let's see if I've got them right. Yeah, got that one right. 7,305. 0. Really easy. 292. 1. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. 1508. Nice. 30. 168. 5459. 10,180. 6. Oh, no. 0. It's okay, so it's 660. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so y. Let's see. So 6 times 10 is going to be 60. And then 60 times 10 would... Ah, I see. So 60 times 10 is going to be 600, and then you add them together and you get 660. Okay, never mind. I was trying to be smart, but I wasn't. And this is wrong. No oo-woo. Okay. 13. 120. Okay. 495,000. Okay. So I've got one wrong so far. So I'm just going to write -1. Okay, the next one, 4172. Nice. 0.212. Nice. Hell yeah. Okay. Award 2 marks for the correct answer of 32. Yes. I know this might sound a bit embarrassing, like getting excited over getting marks correct in a test for children, but like, I was excited. Both of these are correct, so 19. Well, 2 marks for the correct answer, 50,381. Oh, for goodness sake, can't even give myself marks correctly. 13,050. 3. 21. Yay! Okay, I got this one correct. I sort of somehow messed it up and got the answer. Anyway, let's see, what is this one? 23 is 2.877. 1/16th. Yep. 25 is 5/6. Nice. 23.988. Okay, let's see. 27 is where I'm going to be like, oh god, what is this? Oh no. Okay. Oh, hang on. Wait. Oh, okay. I guess. Oh, that's why. Okay, I got 1%. This was 1%, and this was 0.5%. Yeah. I was on the right track, though, so I'm happy about that. I was on the right track. But yeah, I'm not good at percentages, apparently. Okay, so 28 is 60. Got that right. This one, I definitely got 0. But let's see what the answer is. Okay, the answer is 42. What does it say? So it's saying that you can't get into here, so you put it in there. And how many is in there? There's 4. And this times 4 is 220. And then this minus this would be... Ugh, I can't be arsed with this. But, yeah, just sacrifice the 2 marks, I don't care. I can't be bothered to work that out. 30 is 92. Yay. Okay, I figured out how to do these. I figured out how to do them. I'm happy now. I'm happy now. I figured out how to do them. So if I actually go back to this one, and I do it the other way around, so I have 15 over 100 times, times 3200 over 1. I can knock off these, I think. Let's have 15 over 1 times 32 over 1. And then work out what is 15 times 32. So I'm going to have 2 times 5 is 10. And then a 2, so that's going to be 30. And then have 0 and 3 times 5 is going to be 15. That's going to be 3, so that's going to be a 4. So then this is going to be 0, 3, 5 is going to be an 8, and then that's going to be 4. Okay. I'm happy with that. I kind of know how to do it now. I was just blanking out. And with this one, I just couldn't be asked because there was too many steps. Okay, so the next one, 11 over 63. Not too bad. Okay, now at least I answered all the questions, except the one I can be bothered with. Okay, so the answer is 11/6. Yay. Or 1 and 5/6 if you wanted to. I can be bothered. I just think I ran out of time. I can't remember what was happening. The correct answer, 273. 223, 26. So that's correct. 24460. That's correct. Hang on, what did I do? So 622 is going to be correct, right? And then 6 and 4. 12 plus 4. Okay. It's 12. It's 13. Okay. Oh well, I got 1 mark for that. Because, you know, I basically have this answer. Never mind. I have an arithmetic error. Yeah. 31/4. Or the other answer was 7 and 3/4. 8. Noise. And then this is the last one, and it's wrong. What? 320. Way off. 320. I guess, actually, yeah, if you divided this by 5, divided by 400, you would get... My brain isn't working now. It had its moment, and now it's flopped and died. 5... How many 5s in 40? It's 80. Yeah, so 80, so that would be 1/5, because this is basically working out the percentage, right? So this is actually the same as 80% of 400, I think. I just messed it up somehow. Yeah, I just messed it up. And then what you do is you want to times this by 4. So you times this by 4. You times this by 4. 80 times 4. And you're going to get, well, nothing. And then you're going to get 8 times 4 is 32, not 42. And then that's your answer. Okay. Okay, well, I'm happy with that. I forgot how many questions I got wrong. And how many is this out of again? Okay, let me count them up, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I got 34 out of 60. Which is, you know, not bad. I'm actually pretty happy with that. What's that as a percentage? Just cheat, use a calculator or something. I've done enough maths today. Meh. Hang on, what would that... This is 35 100ths times 60. Over 1. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just cheat and get up the calculator. Okay. 34 divided by 60 equals... Ooh. Wait, hang on, did I do it wrong? Yes, I did. Ugh, I'm an idiot. Hang on. That is not 56%. Hang on, what have I done wrong? Oh my god, my brain isn't working. Wait, what? 54? 34? Divided by 60. I'm confused. Hang on. Is it the other way around? What? No. Oh, hang on. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing now. Oh. Oh my god, that's why I'm an idiot. Why did I put 60? It's 40. No wonder I was getting things confused. Oh my goodness. I'm an absolute idiot. Okay. 34 divided by 40. 85%. Okay. 85%. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. So that's not bad. That's an A? I don't know what you need to get to an A star. I don't think this even tells you. You don't even have those in, like, well, you don't have them anymore anyway. Unless you're in Wales, I think. But where's the actual mark scheme thingy that they have? I don't even know what that is. I don't know what's... No, that's nothing. This is rubbish. Okay. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's an A. At least. Yay. So yeah, that's... I guess I did quite well. I think I'm ready. Because I think I should move on to actual high school level maths now. And learn about, you know, algebra and shit. Because I think I've got this down pretty much. Like, obviously, I'm not perfect, but, like, no one's gonna get 100% on the test, so who cares? And I kind of figured out how to do those percentage questions anyway, so I don't think I need any more help with it. I guess I'll do the other ones just to see how they go, the logic-based ones, but other than that, I think I'm good to go. Yeah, so this has been Rambles. I hope you enjoyed my mess of video. If you actually watch this, because it's like almost an hour long, well, this recording that I've done of me doing the test is almost an hour long. If you add on the actual thing, then definitely it's an hour long, if you add on the intro. Yeah, so I guess I'll see you around. And, yeah, this proves anything is possible. I should have taken a test beforehand. Oh, I'll do that! Okay, 2 ideas for the next video. Well, not the next video I ever make, but like the next maths video. I could either take the test that I actually took back when I was in primary school, my actual SATs paper, just to see what it is. Because I don't actually know what score I got for them. I think I passed it. I think I did fairly well, but I don't remember. I ended up in set 2. No, set 1. I was in set 1 for maths, actually. That's weird. Now I think about it. Because I definitely remember hating maths and being bad at it, so I'm not sure what happened or where that happened. I think it was just like things maybe got out of control in high school, like everything usually does. I could retake that, or I could take a GCSE before I actually study anything for GCSE and see how bad I do, and then, you know, go from there and see what I do. But I'm happy with 85%. That's bloody awesome. I'm really happy with that. Okay, catch you around. See ya!